it's your girl Jackie. So today I'm here with my ugly brother. Disgusting, right? So today we are gonna try some ways to do slime. So we have clear slime and we are gonna try to do some slime, if it's a fail or if it's good. So let's get started. So we got some plates. And the glue and the detergent. So let's get started.
So I'm pouring the clear glue in my plate.
So we both poured our glue on the plates. So right now we are going to pour on the detergent. So I have the little cup that comes with the detergent. So let's just pour it in. Okay, so I'm going to pour the detergent on it, and I hope it works because I want some slime. Because I only have this line, but that's putty.
So now I'm gonna put my detergent in my plate.
Okay, so Zeus poured not too much on the glue.
Mix it in like that.
No, because it's not gonna work. Stupid. Okay. Whoever because I didn't get that much, so I'm gonna get a little bit. I don't mind. It's just a little bit.
Cute Chucky. Everybody saw that.
Some of that.
Everybody saw that.
See, he's stupid. Okay.
I forgot.
So now we are going to mix it.
She doesn't.
So we just got pans and started to mix it. So I'm like, oh my god, I hope this works.
This doesn't look like slime. Is this
Probably because you put too much detergent.
Oh wait, it's making slime. Is this the?
So I'm gonna speed it up. So.
Let's guys.
I don't think it's working, but we're gonna try something else. Okay, so this is how it turned like. It's probably not working because it's clear glue. Oh, and we're not using the same detergent. We use this one stick one.
That's a
Something
paper.
just fell, but still.
Guys, look at mine. It's so poor. It's really poor.
So we're going to try another technique.
Yeah.
So bye. So that one was a fail. So we're gonna try clear glue with toothpaste and something else because we're trying to make something. So
Toothpaste.
So next we're gonna do clear glue
Again.
puffy paint and some toothpaste. So we're gonna try. He's gonna do something else, and I'm gonna put detergent on mine. So let's see what happens. Now we're gonna put
toothpaste.
Excuse me, I was talking. Okay, so now we're gonna pour the glue on our plate. Okay, so I just poured the glue on both of ours. So now we are going to. I'm gonna put the puffy paint. Me and Jesus are gonna pour puffy paint. What's the paint? Whoa. Okay.
Purple.
Mine's gonna turn purple. Here, you do yours. I'm gonna put toothpaste. Trying to put the pussy there. Done.
This is hard.
Hurry up. Okay, stop.
Okay.
Stop. Go.
Give me my toothpaste. I like toothpaste.
Okay, there. Okay, so I'm going to mix mine.
I don't have a marker.
We'll just use the toothbrush. We have tons of toothbrushes. It's right there. Okay.
This is the
So I have the detergent, and I'm gonna
Don't
pour
mix
it
it with my hand.
No, Sus, you're gonna get dirty. See how annoying he is, guys?
I don't care.
Okay, so I just poured the detergent in my cup. So now we can just.
And this was my idea by the toothpaste.
Okay.
It is.
You need to get something to mix it with.
If
I
it
can
works.
help you. Oh, here. No, that's my pen. So
Okay,
you can't
my
use my pen.
My pen. Oh, get the pen.
Okay.
Let me just turn
Move
it
your feet. Okay. I'm gonna mix it.
back. It's
Yours-
blue. Oh, you forgot to put it in sugar.
No, because we're gonna do it different.
Oh yeah.
What else you want to do it? Mine's turning like Galaxy.
Mine turning is like slime, guys.
So
You
is
should
mine.
try this. It's really
Wait,
cool.
it might even turn like slime. So be quiet.
Mine.
You don't even know. Okay, so I'm gonna pour more detergent. Cause like,
My toothpaste are
Salty.
getting stronger.
okay.
Guys,
So
I just found out this. Just kidding, it doesn't work. Can you put a little?
if you guys have TikTok, we have TikTok too. So like, follow us. I'll put it in the description. And his YouTube channel, put it too.
I already told
Start
her
mixing.
though.
No, you didn't.
Remember,
You did.
in the video I did.
Comment down below if you did. If you heard him say it. He probably did.
It was in my video.
It's melting. This is a fail.
More
again.
glue. This is not a fail
I know
for
what to
me.
do.
This is not a fail for me.
We're gonna add
A little.
slime on this. See what works. I'm not gonna do anything.
Guys,
It's gonna
mine
melt it.
kind of looks like slime. It's trying to do slime, but it isn't.
Okay.
Guys, I paint myself.
I'm just gonna get mine.
I already wet these.
Okay, so if you want to see me vlog, comment down below. And also, I'm gonna start vlogging.
I like blue.
Like,
I do.
maybe I'll vlog tomorrow when I'm at school. But like,
How?
what do you mean how?
Yes, you can go with.
So here's the slime. You ain't getting my slime. Well, it's not mine. It's Judy's slime. So like,
What happened to my slime?
yeah, I don't know where it's at.
Oh yeah, the slime. Can you give me a little distraction?
Stop! You can't use mine.
Oh,
See,
sorry.
he's so mean. It's turning into slime, guys.
That's the slime you put on them,
No, it didn't.
guys.
I didn't
Guys.
put any slime.
She put the putty. I think she's not gonna make slime anymore because putty doesn't make slime.
Yes, it does.
Okay. There.
So mine kind of worked, but like it's sticky.
That's not your slime. That's your
Yes, it
putty.
is.
She's lying, guys. Except I'm her brother, but I know she's lying.
Okay. That's so mean.
But I do know.
So I'm gonna try to put it in the freezer, see if it does anything.
Oh, remember the YouTuber who said put it in the freezer and work, but it didn't work?
Yeah, that was a foul.
Yeah.
This might be a foul too, but like,
That-
okay. So let's go with me if you wanna go see the video. Blah blah.
See,
So we're leaving my room and go to the fridge. So this is back there, and we're gonna leave our plates in the freezer, and we're gonna do nothing.
got fair my plate out the freezer. Guys, look, it's true.
This is so cringy. If you guys are one of my friends, like, don't see this video. It's my ugly sister.
Guys, look, it's kind of making like slime. Can you see?
Huh.
But only if it was my idea to put toothpaste. So, like my videos.
They don't even. This is not even your YouTube channel.
But just tell them to like
Oops.
my videos.
Sorry, camera.
Please.
Ow!
Why did you put toothpaste in it?
Because
I
I
like
thought it was gonna
toothpaste.
work.
Mix.
Okay, skip. Like, it's been 1 hour, and like, we're gonna check on the slime. So let's go. Okay, dude. I got my slime. Looks frozen, but it's okay. Here it is. kind of making slime. So it smells like toothpaste. Oh, I forgot I put toothpaste in it. But it's sticky, but it did make slime though, and it's cold. So like, I don't know what to put it. So like, it does act like slime, but like it's sticky. I think it was the detergent. So let's try it. I'm not gonna put it on my desk because then it's gonna ruin it. But like, you could already see that it's not slime. It's just liquid, and then it's slime.
This is a liquid, but it looks like slime. See it?
Ew.
See it?
Okay, so I'm gonna go wash my hands, and this was a fail. So like,
No,
so you guys have to wait for part 2 because this was a fail. Ooh. Okay, so what I'm supposed to say? I forgot what I'm supposed to say, but like, I'll think about it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hit that like button if you liked it. Go subscribe for do vlogs. I might vlog tomorrow if I can. So, oh, our today's shout outs is Jose, Lucy, Eva, and Marcus. So, oh, and my brother.